In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a polygon when given the diagonal. So in this case, you draw any line AB, any length, and at any point C, construct a semicircle of coordinate radius and divide it into the same number of equal parts as the required polygon. So in this case, let's just draw any line AB. You draw any line AB here. Let's be our line AB. And then this line AB, we'll locate any point C. So locate any point C. Let's locate the point C here. Okay. Then we'll construct a semicircle on C of any coordinate radius and divide it into the same number of equal parts as the required polygon has. So assuming we are drawing a polygon of 7 sides here, we'll construct a semicircle and divide it into 7 parts. But this time around, let's use 6 because it will give us a more rounded figure. So next, we're making use of the protractor. So we need a protractor to draw the different shapes. So here we go. Next thing to do is to divide these into 6 parts. So this is the procedure to divide into 6 parts. So all we need to do is we need this here. So now if we divide the semicircle into 6 parts, the semicircle has 180 in total, so 180 degrees. So that will be dividing 180 in 6 parts. That will be 30 degrees each for each of the divisions. That will be 30. We'll be stepping up 30, 30, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, and then we're back to 180. So let's draw a line through each of these divisions to the center of the circle. So a line through the divisions, center. I have 1. A line through the division to the center. That's 2. A line through the division to the center. 3, 4, 5. So that's all. So now let's call this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Here we go. The next step is to we'll draw a line through this to 2. So now we are given the diagonal here, right? In this case, so you will draw CE and CF equal to the given diagonal. So let's draw a line CE, and this CE and CF, they will not be from number 2. Let's say CE should be from number 3, the 3rd divisions, through the 3rd divisions and the 4th divisions. So let's draw a diagonal CE. Assuming we have the diagonal length as let's say let me just choose 3 centimeters. Or let's use 2. Okay, we can use 3. We can use 3. So we have 3 centimeters diagonal. So if it is too small, let's even use something like 6 centimeters. That's from 2 to 7. Okay, that's 5, not 6. So we'll cut off 6 centimeters from 3 and 4. So we won't use number 2. We'll use 3 and 4. You can also use 4 and 5, but they must not be at the extremes of the semicircle. So there must be another line. So we could use 2 and 3. Right, we could use 2 and 3. So these lines are related to 2, 3, and 4, but this 1 and 6, they are going to be the edges. So this number 2, we use 3 and 4 instead. We can use 4 and 5. So now you can see that this point will be the diagonal. So let's call this C E, and let's call this C F. So the last step is to bisect CE and CF, and then let's bisect the C and CF. So this is procedure to bisect the line. So we are bisecting the line here. So here we go. Then we also have the CF. Let's bisect CF too. So we don't need to stress ourselves much. Just use E and then cut the bisectors. So we've bisected this CF now. It bisects at two lines, this point. So this is the bisector. Now these bisectors, they will intersect at a point. Let's call this G. So you are going to draw a circle with center G passing through C. So center G passing through C, it will pass through C, and this circle will be the required circle through which our shape will pass. So the required hexagon will pass through this circle. Trying to adjust it. Pass through number 2, pass through C, number 2, and also pass through E. So here we have it. So this circle is going to be the circle through which our shape will pass. So the next step is it will position corners H and J. So the one that passes through C will be the H, the corner H. So that's already done. Now all you need to do is you need to open to the distance from F to E. I have them here. E to F. So I'm going to count off that distance. So this is corner H, this corner E. Let's cut corner, that corner, and this, let's have this corner, and this corner. This is the sixth corner. So then you draw a line through each of these corners. So draw a line through each of these corners. So we'll get a six-sided figure after we're done. So and voila, we've gotten a hexagon. So this have to draw any polygon when given the diagonal.